Hey guys, Curlychaotic, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a part 2 or continuation of the first video I did, giving a demo review on the coconut water co-wash from Camille. So this is that old twist out that I had. I wore it in a puff for the last like 2 days or so because I did work and I didn't wash my hair the first 2 days off. But basically what I'm going to do off camera is detangle my hair, and I'm going to basically redeposit moisture back into my hair. I am going to detangle with just some water, and I'm going to use the Hydrating Elixir as a refresher. I am going to detangle my hair. Okay guys, I am back. So basically what I did was 4 flat twists in the back when I parted it. I did 4 flat twists, well 6, because I did one right here and right here. And the front of the hair, I just did the same thing that I did when I first co-washed my hair, just a regular 2-strand twist. And then I just take the ends where it starts to get slim, where I would normally trim, and I just kind of, you know, made like a little bantu knot. This is the elixir. I don't know if you can see on camera. I use about this much of the elixir. These duck clips, I don't know what these are called. I think they're called duck clips, but I usually place it in the direction of where I want my hair to lay. So right now, I like how my hair looks pretty moisturized on camera. Even like the roots, I don't know if you've seen earlier when I was parting my hair, you've probably seen a little dryness, but it looks and feels moisturized for the most part. I'll definitely keep you guys posted and do my final review on the elixir. So I will definitely be checking back in.